Welcome guys. So in this video I'll be teaching you how to use Snapedit. Once you open the app, you tap on the plus sign to add your pictures to add your picture, and then you tap on enhance. And once you enhance, you've added the picture, it's going to generate three results for you. You have result 1, result 2, and result 3. So you can see it has been generated. This is what the picture looked like. You can see it's very blurry, and once um that's the original result. So when I slide it back, this is what it generated. You can see that the blurriness has reduced. It's no longer pixelated. It's looking neater now. And then that's for result 1. And then this is result 2. You can see result 2 is even smoother than result 1. And then we have result 3. So you can just explore anyone you want of the. If you don't want your result to be that smooth, then you use result 1 or you use result 3. But I usually use result 2. And at times, if I like the color of result 3, I use result 3. So after that, you can proceed to saving your image, and then you can also remove background with this app. So you tap on remove BG, and it will remove the background in that one click, and then you can go ahead and edit your background. We have picture frames, we have other ones that you can see, those upload wood studio walls. You can explore them. So let's try the different pictures that are here that you can give to your picture background. You can see all this color as it's changing the look of the image. So just explore this. You can try the upload, the wood, the studio, the walls aspect as well. So just try, and then you save it. Once you're done, tap on save and save it. So after saving, you can go back and pick another picture to edit. This time I'm using one with Kile and already as a makeover. So you can see the result has been generated. That is the before and this is the after. So you can choose result 1, result 2, or result 3, just like we did the last one. So you just pick any one of choice. Okay, that's before. You can see what it looks like, and this is the after result 1, and this is result 2. Result 2 is the best one I love, honestly, but the other result 2, there are times you use it to edit picture and you will love the color it will bring out. So this is fine. Then I will save it, or if I want to enhance and improve, I use the pro version of this app, but those ones I've been using before are just the normal version. So even if you're not using pro, you can still get a very new and very beautiful result. But this is the pro aspect now, and the difference is just very slight. And then you can also do another thing here. You can remove objects. You can remove watermark, but since there is no watermark here, I'm removing this necklace on her neck so that you can see. But I think the brush size is too wide. Let's see if it will not affect the results. Oh, you can see the back here is a little bit blurry. Somewhere around there is looking, you can see that. So if you want to remove anything, make sure the brush size is very small. So I'm going to undo. Make sure the brush size is very small. So guys, that is all. You can do a lot of things here. You can remove the background, change the background as well, like we did with the first picture. And then you pick color. And like I said, you can explore the up part. Alright guys, so that will be all for this class. See you in the next video tutorial. Bye.